Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate BambooHR for employee referrals from LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate BambooHR for employee referrals from LinkedIn, start by logging into your BambooHR account. Navigate to the settings section in the main menu. Under integrations, find and select LinkedIn. Click on the authenticate button to begin the process. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. You may be prompted to give permissions to BambooHR. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to grant access. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to the BambooHR dashboard. Here, you should see confirmation that the integration is active. Next, navigate to the Employee Referrals section in BambooHR. Create a new referral plan or edit an existing one to include LinkedIn referrals. Define the criteria for your referral program, including which positions are eligible for referrals. Link the referral program to your LinkedIn job postings. Save your changes to finalize the setup. To start using the integration, go to LinkedIn and find the job you want to share. Share the job posting through your LinkedIn network, encouraging employees to refer candidates. When a candidate applies through the referral link, their application will appear in BambooHR. Monitor and manage candidate referrals directly from your BambooHR account. Review submissions and utilize the built-in tools for tracking referrals efficiently. This will streamline the referral process and enhance your recruitment efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.